in this time period is not the King of Cups. The King of Pentacles is you, Virgo. It is your energy in this week, and this is a very, very stable energy. Also, there is going to be some enhancement in your life with the Page of Pentacles. Finally, things are moving. So there is this energy, this message which is coming in your life, which is attracting stability or lucrative transactions in this period with the Ace of Pentacles clarification. This is telling me an opportunity is coming, an inheritance is coming, money from a situation is coming, a big bonus is coming, or an opportunity of a job placement, good placement, secure, reliable source of income. Something is coming to you. This is a major energy which is going to happen in your life, and Nine of Cups is definitely going to be felt in this time period. So this is, happiness in personal or professional life, Virgo. So Nine of Cups is the energy of wish fulfillment. Six of Cups is back to harmony. Six of Cups is memories of good happy times, and that happy time is going to repeat itself in your life with this new opportunity which is coming in, which is going to make you this stable king in this time period. So possibly someone close to you, King of Cups energy, could be a masculine, lovable energy, or a partner who could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, like I am telling you, is going to take a leap of faith towards you. This person is fated, and this person is going to take a new endeavor which is going to impact you in your life. And this is a fated situation. Someone could be bringing in love, someone could be an ex coming back to you. Some of you are getting a call from a past institution, a past place where you used to work. So whatever is true for you or your own close partner is bringing you proposal of love or marriage in this time period. A bad time is over for you guys. That is what I am seeing. So wish fulfillment definitely is going to happen with the Nine of Cups coming again. Queen of Cups again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, showing someone is going to bring you some happiness in this time period. Could be a water sign definitely. With the Queen of Pentacles and the Justice energy,